Adachi, what's up? I went to buy I went to buy something for my sinus at the supermarket. Yeah, yeah. I got some for baby sinus also. Some baby feeding stuff. Yeah, that's what I got. Yeah, and I went to check on some other little stuff too. Yeah, so really I just went to the supermarket quickly and came back. So that's about it. That's what I did. Yeah, get some woman stuff, some woman stuff. You know what I'm saying? She's sleeping, she lazy as hell, and she ready. Yeah, so I got she gonna kill me for saying that, but yeah, I'm honest, man. I keep it 100. But yeah, I went to get some woman stuff for her, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm back. Adachi. I need to go finish watching that summer thing that you tell me, man. Woo! I watched half of it last night. I was so tired when I got back in. Super tired. Um, yeah. I was hoping I could get a energy drink to boost my energy up today, but yeah. I wanna go check and see if I got um paid for some promotions that I did. But the dudes ain't give my money. It's just so annoying. You work so hard for your money and the dudes take long to pay your ass. Don't you know I got things to do with my money. I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? Forever, forever, ever, ever. Yeah. Give me a second, guys. Ready? 1 second. guys, I'm ready. I'm there. Shouting out to one of my good long-time friends. His name was Joe. One of my good peeps, man. Good people. Very, very good people. Yeah, he's a long-time friend of mine. That meant over. Jeez, I think it's over 12 years now. Good people. Like, trust me, it's just good people. That I can definitely say. Um, yeah, he's also a gamer. He does pretty cool stuff. His YouTube channel and what he does on the side. He's a big gamer also. Um, Adachi, he buy and sells custom Game Boys. And I'm sure you know what a Game Boy is. That classic handheld game. He customized those stuff like mod it, modify it to do things that it ain't even normal or supposed to do. And he has a whole lot of games. A lot. A big gaming center area, man. It is dope. That's what he does, man. Pretty much that's it. And he has a YouTube channel. At times he like stream fixing up the Game Boys or modifying them, which is super epic. I think it's very epic and dope. How I met Joe? Damn, it's a long story. There was a Facebook game that's called Naruto, a Naruto game on Facebook that was very popular. I met him in a clan. Yeah, yeah, I like arcade games too. Yeah, yeah, I would like an arcade area too with classic games. Yeah, that'd be dope. Um, yeah, that's where I met him and our friendship started. No cap. And I was in a clan with him. He was the number one gamer on that game in the world. He was so powerful. Very powerful. No cap, man. Super strong warrior. Joe, that's my bro. We've been through a whole lot together, man. He and my other friend by the name of Mike. He's dope, man. And just know that the power of gaming turned into an awesome friendship. No cap. That's the power of gaming and just having something in common that we all can relate to. Um, it's amazing, man. Yeah, yeah. That's good people like you, Adachi. No cap. Good people. Have a long friendship. 12 years, bruh. 12 years. That's dope. 12 years friendship. And come. And we've never met in person. We're supposed to soon, and he wants me to. Him and his wife, awesome people. Yo, good friendship, Adachi. Just like how we're good people. Yeah, I just sent him a message. I mean, it's just such an honor. I know I'm here blabbering about my friends who I've met all around the world, but it's just like you, Adachi. I show up with you to like, yo, you good people, and always there supporting. You know what I mean? And I truly appreciate that. Yeah. truly appreciate that. He also believes in my vision and my dream also as a streamer and YouTuber, always encouraging me to go on. Yep, yep. Just like you're awesome, I got you. You're my true friend. Awesome. Appreciate everything that you've done for me. No cap. The only friend I had that I knew for a long time was Zach, and that was like over 8 to 10 years, and we broke it off. He was too toxic. Yeah, I'm sorry that she. I mean, maybe I don't know.
Back away! Back away!
Damn. He kept saying that he wanted to end it all, and nothing I said got through to him. He kept complaining about everything and refusing to change. Yeah, I'm sure you've tried to help him. Also, knowing your personality.
Back away! Back away!
I know you've tried to help him to change, you know? To become a better person.
My gallant knight.
Yeah, mental.
It seems I came just in time.
I suppose so.
Yeah.
Though it would not be in my nature to let a god get the better
in
of
that situation, we can't blame him.
Did you come alone?
Too much.
They've been feeling out with
And I
me.
understand from your
They're taking
side.
care of the rest of the gods and you.
We'll be
I
better
could not
for
risk involving my squad, but there is one more with me.
A new choices person.
the medication so he will be stable, so he won't be a
Very well.
hazard to himself
Well,
and
now.
others around him. That
We will meet him
love
inside
him.
and proceed to the
And
archives room.
I know it's definitely painful for you because me, I take my friendships very serious, man. I
Let's
take
go.
my friends like my family. Yeah, I take my friends very serious, man. Seriously, no cap. You know what I'm saying, man.
Let's go.
Alright, where we gonna go?
As you can see, we face some resistance. They're over here.
Can somebody tell me where the hell she is? She talking, but I can't see her. Am I going blind?
Run. We found the way out.
Once in place, we can use the stagecoach to climb the balcony.
Knight, help us push this into place.
I know you did your best, man. Same, I'm hungry.
That's it. Let's go.
Up here.
Devi, no. I need you to stay.
Run. I need to be by your side.
You always are, child.
What of him and his accomplice?
Heed my advice. Do you not know how dear you are to me?
Then why do you push me away?
Because I need you to continue the cause if something happened to me.
Do not say that.
Debbie, though you may not trust me, know that I will protect your queen in your stead. I owe her you that much.
See that you do.
You do not want to get on the bad side of that one.
Just fixing something quick. Okay, got it. Got it. Where are we going? Supposed to go up, yes, sir.
Take cover! Coming through the front gate!
I need to reload.
Okay, we got it.
Shit.
Company man down.
Reloading.
More guards!
There they are, on the balcony.
Reloading. I don't have a clear shot.
He's shooting.
Reloading.
Blasted. Smoke.
Get to your cover, Knight!
Target down. Let's get inside before more guards arrive.
Right, here we go.
Look out! Shotgun specialists!
I'll provide cover.
Come on. Come on, really? They got me.
Look out! Shotgun specialists!
Where is that? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Gotta go.
I'm reloading!
Ah, for fuck's sake!
Boss! More are coming in from the back!
Come downstairs as well! Reloading!
Come on.
I don't have a shot!
I need to reload. I'm reloading.
Watch yourself. Shit! Reloading! I'll provide cover!
My shot's blocked!
Damn it! Reloading!
Guard neutralized!
Reloading.
I'm so distracted, guys. I'm so sorry.
I'll give you cover!
Reloading!
This got me suppressed! They're upstairs! Go!
I need to reload.
Target down! Looks like that was the last of them. More could be here any minute. Let's keep moving.
Let's go.
I'm trying to get more bullets. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Blow the fuse in this mother. We need to blow that fuse, boy. Stop playing with me, boy. Let's go in. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We've reached that mother. Let's go. Alright, we in. Oh, some nice weapons over here. Okay. What's happening? What's my guy here? What? Oh my god, what's
Knight, what are you waiting for?
Boy, girl, shut up. I've been looking through stuff. What you mean? Stop thinking. You saying we stocking? Or what you acting like that for? Why is she acting that way? Why are you being so... Why are you acting like that?
Look and hold your fire! This is Lakshmi Bai, the leader of the rebellion.
She is your confederate. Have you taken leave of your senses, man?
I might ask the same question,
If I didn't know you any better, I'd think you'd led me into a rebel ambush.
as I might fear an arrest.
We do not have time for this.
We needed help, and she's the only one I could turn to.
This is madness. You're putting the very core of our order in jeopardy.
Alistair, you have to trust me. You asked that we find proof. She was with me in Blackwall. She witnessed what I found there.
You mean to tell me that she helped you destroy the United India Company docks? My father was right. That was an act of pure terrorism. She used you.
She brought this conspiracy to my attention, and if we're to see it through, her help is invaluable.
And what if you're wrong?
Then she and I will answer for our actions. And suffer the consequences.
Yep.
As Mallory did.
Alright, here we go. I'm excited to see what's beyond there.
I hope you're right, Gray.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to see you on the wrong
Good
side of this
afternoon, you
mess.
beautiful people. Shout out to the old master and crewman. Let's go. Welcome to Live Human.
Far end of the lobby.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？お前は匠でギゼブ。
Pin down.
War time.
Stay down. We'll cover you.
Bulldogs coming in on the far end.
Tombstone.
Reloading.
Keep them busy while I get into
I'm
it.
pinned down. There. Shotgun down. Take up. Bloody aim. I see him. He's suppressed. He needs cover fire. Company man down.
Reload it.
Get into cover.
I'll give you cover.
I need to reload.
Reloading. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Clear.
Going clear. Sexy. Are y'all ready? Let's go.
Through here, across the courtyard balcony.
Oh, oh. Oh. My dude has powers. Wow, he's so dope. He got powers.
God! In the courtyard!
Get to cover, Galahad.
Sniper! On the right! Get your cover, knights!
Reloading. Guards down.
Knights, take cover!
I'm on there.
Knights, get into cover!
More of them are coming from the bikes, mate. One of them has a thermite rifle. Take cover.
Get your cover, knights!
Get into cover.
Take cover! Thermite! Finley!
thermite! Fucking thermite! Reloading! We're on the left!
Cover, Knight!
Get to cover, Galahad! Guards down! Reloading! Company man down!
Knight, take cover!
That's the last of them!
Temporary retreat.
Let's move.
Galahad, give me a hand with these doors.
Alright, here we go. Oh, please.
Ready?
Let's go. We.
The archives room is just ahead.
Let's go. It's like a scale down, man, like a mega one they want to build.
Search the archives. Look for manifests, bills of lading, requisition orders. Anything that might link the company to the half-breed shipments.
How are we supposed to look through all this?
Keep it down, Finley. Just a god research.
What is this? Oh. Everyone knows how.
There's nothing here.
Captain's test.
Must be something.
Waste of time, if you ask me.
What is it we're looking for?
right! Over here! You will want to see this. These are shipments that were sent to my homeland. If this log is to be believed, the company now has a foothold in every Indian state.
Here, the Agamemnon shipment, destined for the eastern coast of the Americas. And 3 more shipments planned along the same route. RMS Oceanic is next. It's set sail in 6 weeks.
Where's Finley?
Lord Hastings.
Do you believe me now? He is the one behind all this.
The Whitechapel killings. The half-breed scourge. United India. All you.
Jacob Van Neck. Or as the Fleet Street pamphleteers have so fondly named me, Jack the Ripper. At your service.
That's crazy.
I thank you, Sir Lucan, for delivering these meddlers.
Deal with them. And do not fail us.
You.
Quite fortuitous, wouldn't you say, Sir Galahad? The rebel leader captured, and a traitor revealed, all in one fell swoop. The traitor being you, regrettably.
Alistair, how could you?
Forgive me, brother.
Well,
I have to look to my own kind above all.
Your kind.
Run!
He's behind me. You know what to do.
Command. We have confirmation of multiple intruders at the United India House. The Metropolitan Police have been ordered to remain on standby.
We swore an oath.
Damn, you was a boss all along?
In the name of the law, open this door.
Galahad, stay where you are.
Wait, I can
I
explain.
said, don't move.
You arrive in good time.
We received a report of a disturbance.
Yes, Sir Galahad stormed in here with a filthy band of rebels intent on killing me.
It's a lie.
See the result of their little incursion. Sir Galahad's accomplice was a woman. The leader of the rebellion, in fact. She eluded our grasp. Not for long.
You will order the company guards to stand down, Lord Hastings. We knights will see to the capture of the rebel leader.
Izzy, listen to me. You're making a grave mistake.
Sir Percival, take this intruder into custody.
I'm truly sorry this office must fall upon you, Marquis.
No more than I am, monsieur.
Get him out of my sight.
Wow.
I thank you, Lady Igraine.
Yeah.
Your intervention was truly fortuitous.
We are only carrying out our sworn duty, Lord Hastings.
They're all the same, my lady. You would do well to keep a close eye on that traitor.
You may expect to be summoned before the courts. Your testimony will be required.
I am always at the service of Her Majesty's knights.
Wow. A traitor among us. 1 second, guys. This is crazy. Let me go grab something from out the microwave quickly and eat, cause I'm hungry as a hungry. Alright guys, I'm back while watching this movie. What's gonna happen now? I'm eating. Very, very hungry guys, so just getting some food. Alright? Alright.
The prisoner stands accused of the most heinous crimes. Sir Galahad has betrayed our ancient trust. More than this, he has conspired with godless rebels. Adding to his litany of evil, he has presumed to take the life of our esteemed Chamberlain, Lord Hastings. Sir Galahad is a base traitor, a man without honor or scruple. I ask the Council to impose the supreme penalty.
I beg the Council's indulgence. Let us not forget Sir Galahad's service to this order over the centuries. Perhaps our brother knight can be saved, and once more put onto the righteous path.
The Knight Commander shows too much leniency. The proof against the traitor is irrefutable.
I saw Sir Galahad in the company of the rebel leader. I was too far away to hear them clearly, but they seemed on familiar terms. They were leaving an establishment known to harbor rebels.
Sir Galahad sought an audience with the Lord Chancellor and me. He hurled a number of senseless accusations at the United India Company and seemed intent on finding Lord Hastings.
Bring in Lord Hastings. Lord Hastings, you have identified the prisoner as your assailant?
Sir Galahad infiltrated our headquarters late night, accompanied by the rebel leader and her followers.
I could not be sure that the man I was following was Sir Galahad until I found his coat, discarded near the rebel hideout.
As his commander, I tried to dissuade him from pursuing his allegations. It is now clear he did not heed my advice.
They incapacitated several of my guards and entered my chambers, intent on killing me.
We found Lord Hastings wounded by the prisoner's hand.
He must stand condemned by his own actions.
Honored knights, how do you find for the prisoner?
Guilty. Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
The sentence is death.
Wow.
Come on, you. Pick it up. We're about giving up the ghost there, anyway. Let's see another rat.
Surrender yourself! No one may escape the penalty!
You forget, Lord Chancellor. I'm as good as dead already.
Oh, so that's how it lead up to this, between life and death, chapter 13.
Gently, my friend.
Will he survive?
That is for him to decide.
My friend. Drake. 2 days. It has already been 2 days. We cannot leave him here like this.
I have done what I can. It is not for me to protect him now. I will call upon him if he lives through this ordeal.
My friend, you must stay with us. Sir Galahad! Sir Galahad! Here, Lady Lakshmi.
You were right to bring me here, Nicola.
There's not much more I can do. All of London is looking for him.
So they are. We will take care of him. Time will tell if he will make it through. Do not be a fool, Nicola!
I do not have a choice. If I'm gone too long, they will suspect something.
What if they already know? You have helped enough. Let us handle matters from now on.
There is still so much for me to do, Lady Lakshmi. Please, take care of him. I fear that without him, we do not stand a chance.
Lakshmi.
Well, Knight, you're not one to give up so easily.
Where am I?
You're at a safe house on the embankment. You've been in and out of consciousness for almost a fortnight. But come, we must make our way back to Whitechapel. The authorities are searching for you everywhere.
How did you find me?
You must thank Nicola. He brought you here and sought my help.
Nicola. How do you know Nicola?
I will let him explain his involvement in our affairs. Nicola left you these. He thought you would appreciate them. Come, let's go.
Lakshmi, the Blackwater. How did you come about it?
It was bestowed on me.
You mean to say, a knight?
Sabors de Ganis.
Sabors has not been seen since the search for the Grail. You say he lives in East India.
I did not say he lived in it.
What do the woman ask? Them not say ladies before gentlemen. Me love that talking there, you know. So why me have to fly out? Woman stop rub rounds, you know. Not a wife. Nah,
Come here, Joel. Just what I was worried about.
Watch your fire!
Yo, talk about recoil, boy. Yo. Them nasty, yo. But let me tell you something. If you can
More guards. Coming down the left tunnel.
Guard neutralized!
Come on, dude. You know me about this gun, cause let's rock with this.
Clear. The more about to head this way.
Tell me, Silas,
Stay ready.
happy, wonderful birthday. I'm not talking much because I'm drying my hair. Okay, it's okay. Sean, Wagwan. Yes, man, I definitely. Well, Miss Sanders just said hello. Yeah, she did it indeed. Go check it out on the main channel, and she had a dope time. We're trying to do a part 2. Hopefully, like Tutti Frutti. Somewhere else type of vibe thingy. For her, that's it, you know what I'm saying? We're trying.
Target down!
That's enough of them. We should keep moving before more arrive.
Lead the way.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. You see it, Chan. You see it. I want to know one another, man. So, yeah, love people, man. You see it. Emotionally. Oh, God. Those who are bad, you have met me touches. Oh, God, that dicey. Oh, God.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, God, that is bad. Thanks, yes, sir.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. Shadi, the boss, my friend that touches God do beside us a ball. She got me wipe her eyes while be up time. They got to do what they do inside us. Stop it. what that she did in her hair after she had her pina colada. Yeah, man, I tell you, Apache is the hardest working dog in the yard. Got you laughing.
Whitechapel is this way.
Yes, you eat that, I'm alright. You could have that with some rice, Miss Sino. Some cardi good, some cardi, some very nice cardi. Big ups to everybody that's here right now that's chatting up from all the way from Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, I'm on Twitch and YouTube right now. Yeah, I'm back on Twitch. I'm back, boy. I'm back on Twitch. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Not bad. But I'm back. I'm back.
Lady agreed. There is evidence of a few people having been here. Sir Galahad must have had help.
Get word to the council that we have tracked the convict. Tell every able knight to converge towards Whitechapel.
Yeah, she's acting off jealousy. She thinks that her man with Sir Galahad is probably in a relationship with the rebel. So her action is based on
God be my witness.
Jealousy right now.
I will see to the end of the rebellion.
Yeah, she's acting off jealousy. She's jealous. She thinks that her man, which is Sir Galahad, is with the rebel leader.
Everyone, leave!
No! It's gonna be a crazy war around here, boy.
We need to leave. It is only a matter of time until the authorities raid Whitechapel and make prisoners of every man and woman.
Salvage what you can and go. I have unfinished business at the palace.
That's crazy.
Have you lost your senses? The palace is the last place you should show yourself.
I have to get Nicola out of there. I owe him that much.
Yes.
Alistair knows you. He'll expect you to come.
I know.
Then we will go together.
No. This is a fight that I must see through, alone. If I live to see tomorrow...
Your food is dope, I'm sorry.
So be it, Knight.
Do you not know? I am a knight no longer.
A knight is
Yeah,
a knight,
actor.
monsieur. But are you a turncoat or a patriot?
What would you have me be, Marquis?
I believe you have a reason for what you do. Two revolutions have taught Lafayette that there are dangers on both sides.
I will not forget this, Marquis.
See that you do not, monsieur. Should you threaten the cause of liberty, you can count on Lafayette to be your sworn enemy. Adieu, monsieur. Until we meet again.
Yeah.
That we will, my friend.
Alright, here we go. It's gonna be crazy, boys. It's a war right here. It's gonna be a big war. She's acting off jealousy to save a life. Westminster Bridge, City of Westminster.
Leaving us so soon?
Isn't this like London?
Debbie,
So you do remember my name?
there is much I should explain to you, and I should have trusted you long ago.
There's no time for pleasantries. It seems you are eager to get yourself killed.
I must make this right.
Alright,
At any
guys.
cost.
Guys, remember the Batman on that like button down below and support Jamaican YouTuber for sure. Shout outs! It is Friday! Gunshot!
Oh, and do come back in one piece. It seems my queen is taking a liking to you.
Yeah, boy. Happy Sunday to y'all beautiful people, man. Shout out to all my people watching locally and internationally. Shout out to all my people watching on YouTube and Twitch. Yeah, boy, that's dope. Let's go. We're getting some rain here in Kingston, Jamaica. Alexa, what is the temperature in Kingston, Jamaica right now? Right now in Kingston, Jamaica, it is 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go. Alright guys, we gonna arm up now. We gonna start some big war.
The Knights. We seem to retain control over the daily operations around the city. Understand? The road. His cause is gates. Captain's workers.
Nicola, come in. I'm in the catacombs, on my way to you.
Sir Galahad, are you mad? You must not come this way.
Stay put. I'll be there shortly.
Same. 1879. That's crazy. Alright. He's going on a suicide mission. It's a suicide mission, boy. Mind your funky business. Naturally. Unruly. Here we go right now. Blazings. Reloading. Enemies down. Boy, I'm coming to get your black ass.
O前はもう死んでいる。何？王は匠でギゼブ。
Only have 10 bullets left, I gotta make it go.
The intruder's right here! Reloading!
Damn it.
Damn, Billy, damn. Damn, Billy, damn. Alright guys, 1 second. Oh my god. Alright guys, 1 second. Thank you very much, Adachi. We back. Boy, I know I just saw a grenade. Stop playing with me. I need that grenade. Oh, see that? A mango. Not in a lie, just see the food I'm still hungry. That she said some dinner for us. We hungry, man. Please. Please. Please, oh God. Please.
Sir Galahad, we may have a complication. Sir Lucan is on his way.
Nicola, you need to get out of there now.
There is nothing to fear, my friend. I will keep communication open on my side. Be alright.
Nicola, don't be afraid. Nicola!
$0.000. And that I was mad as a mother. Boop. But mother hugger. That I was gonna say. Y'all rude. Stop it. Daddy. No, give me my boy. Give me my boy. Oh yeah.
Zagat! Stand down!
It's a whole lot of gun. Gun, Jesus, brother, gun. Gun, gun. Gun, chew gun. Gun. Gun.
Keep him busy. I'm moving in. Cover me.
Woo! That was an epic war. It's because they go them all too far. God. I look like I have to go JPS on them. Hot. Right, that we know. Right, guys. Mama beat skin hot. Oh, I'm going to make you take control of the motion. I want them to crank them with the shotgun. Shotgun powerful, but it's short range. Yeah. But you want to hear it? You can turn it up on TV. Yeah, I think I gotta use the electricity gun. That works better. Yeah. That was an epic battle. Wow. No cap, I thought I was gonna die so many times. Mini friend. Oh God, mini friend. Woo.
Sorry, lads.
Do not let him through!
Nicola,
This gun is epic.
just the man I wanted to see.
Oh, how may I help you, Sir Lucan?
Come with me. We have much to discuss.
Yes, sir.
Damn you, Alistair.
What the hell is that? You need a voodoo shop there, sir? There's no super. That was one. That. Let's go, guys. Let's go up here. Moving in, we're moving in. Police! Police!
Lakshmi was right. He knew.
I'll get you out of here. Come on.
He's still in there. It's too late. There's nothing we can do.
There's still something I must do.
I knew you would return, brother.
Come out of the shadows, damn you!
You and I, we are not that different. I do what I must to protect my kind. We fight only for our right to live.
That's a lie!
One day, perhaps, you will understand.
Oh shit! Look at this.
Forgive me, Grayson. This is not the alchemy sword. Me, Grayson. This is not the alchemy sword.
too long to not know
Why
this
are
day
you
would
running?
come.
Why, Alistair? You have forced us aside all these years.
I've seen things I am condemned to remember. Civilizations born and destroyed by humanity's incessant greed. The pride of men slaughtering each other in the name of their so-called God.
We will atone for our sins in time. But how can you justify the atrocities your kind have committed?
My kind are no more evil than yours.
What of your sister? And your father? Was it all a lie?
Izzy, my father. I love them as my own blood. But they cannot begin to know the curse I have lived with.
My son.
Father, forgive me.
It is I who needs your forgiveness. I never meant this life for you.
You knew.
I've always known. I rescued him from the massacre of his family. Your father died by my sword. But a child? You didn't deserve such a fate. How could I have taken the life of an innocent?
Confess this to the Council, Lord Chancellor. It is the only way to make amends for the havoc that has been unleashed.
I cannot! The revelation would shake our order to its very foundations.
So I am to be sacrificed. How many more must die to ensure an eternal silence?
He is my son. I cannot be the one to end his life. Isabeau and the Council must never discover the truth, lest all you hold dear perish.
Do not ask this of me.
Henceforth,
Wow.
you shall have fellowship with no knights. The Order must remain united. You are no longer one of its heralds. Finish what you have begun and vanish! Men were never meant to live this life.
There shall come a day when all our burdens will end, brother. Maybe then we shall know true peace.
I never wanted to do it. I don't want to do it. I want to expose the Order. Alright. John, just have to do it. I have to do it. Seems very familiar. Yeah. I never wanted to do it because I wanted to expose the Order. The man, he put me in a compromisable area where I had to do it. Just because is King Arthur found the Knights Round Table and it's an extension of his thing. And if I expose it, everything will crumble. So I had to do it, guys. But I prefer expose the Order, let everything crumble, and they exposed for the truth, but then again the whole country will crumble. And a rebellion would start because they would say, how come the government harvesting vampires and half-breeds, and what's going to happen is the entire people in the world of England there's going to be an uprising, and they're going to kill off all the government officials, and before you know it, England will be a country without no king, no leader, and it will stay like Gaza. Endless war every day, innocent lives, and people will be dead. If you haven't read your Bible, there was one time in Israel or Jerusalem, and not 100%, but can't remember, but there's a country that had no king. Everyone was the master. It was just chaos until the great King David came. And there was order. So that would happen in this. England would crash. Imagine you have a country and you're going to hear that the government is harvesting half-breeds and lichens. First of all, everybody in the country believe it. Everybody want to migrate. And before you know it, it's World War III chaos. And that's why even in, I'm sure that you can agree, even in America, there are things that are hidden that cannot come out to the public. It would be chaos. America would crash. 500 million people. Yeah, that's it, right? And that's it. 500 million people is in America alone. 500 million. I think that is 15% of the population in the world. That's a lot of people. Yeah, it's very sad. Yeah, this game was crazy. That's why I wanted to decide to play. There's a lot of twists. Yeah, you could like it. And then Sir Galahad's girlfriend was acting out of jealousy because she thought that he was with the rebellion lady, so she sent everybody. That's crazy. I hope they have a part 2. It's nice. And then he got banished from the order.
Sir Galahad, the whole of London is looking for you. We mustn't delay.
Here? The entire London is looking for him.
Can you hear me?
It wasn't done?
Sir Galahad.
Be at ease, Nicola. All is fine.
So you say, my friend.
Yep.
The council has declared martial law throughout the city. There is no telling when the authorities will decide to mount an offensive.
It's like John Wick 3 when everybody coming after.
Now is not the time for heroics. I would advise we follow Lady Lakshmi's lead and leave the city.
Wow.
I'll join you shortly.
I'll join you shortly, he says.
And don't you know, I'm Galahad.
Galahad. Sam. It's gonna be. You don't know that. Yo. That's like you being a top person in the government and you find out all the madness. What they do. And that's the reason why they kill a lot of CIA and FBI agents. You know, when the agents find out they're really serving, and they're like, no, I don't want to do this. They become a threat. Because they say, you're not with us no more. So let's get rid of him. I'm sorry, I ain't doing none of this stuff. So yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy, guys. Yeah, this game was crazy. And night no more. That's crazy. Extras? Let's see the extras. Wow. This game was crazy. It's a dope game. Dope game. Dope game. Guys, that was crazy. No cap. That was a beautiful game. Adachi. I was watching the summer thing. I already see the game that I like. I saw two. Modern Warfare 2 and the horror one. That's called whatever protocol. But I prefer Calypso whatever protocol. But I prefer the Call of Duty because we could get more out of it if we do it. We can, rather than the other game that it's just one time you play it and it's done. We ain't want that. But I'm still watching it. I fell asleep. I watched half of it. It's a long show, 2 hours, and so I see some dope games. And I'm so happy that they launched the new Street Fighter. But a lot of the games are coming out in 2023 though. Jeez, I'm just hoping to God I can get. Alright, cool. Yeah, it's dope. It's dope. I'm really hoping, I'm praying some opportunity came in and I'll be able to get a PS5. I need a PlayStation 5 right now. Yeah, that's the big goal for Silence Gaming. We need a PS5. I need to make a strategy and do something where I can save and get that PS5. I need to do a drive, like a save drive to try and get a PS5. I need one. Can't afford yeah, that's the goal, man. And see if I could get that PS5. That'd be epic. Alright guys, so I'm trying to find what we gonna play now. This is the 2D games that I have now. Slender Man, Amnesia Rebirth. I'm wondering which one I should go play. Well, I want to see, I don't know. I'm trying to wait until I get that vibe to play one of these. Then I'm gonna play it. I don't like Blair Witch no more. I'm telling you straight, I hate this game. It has so much glitches. I'm mad. I'm seriously mad. Alright? Blair Witch be tripping. Blair Witch be tripping, bruh. So, I need to go see. What's this? I'm just looking. I'm just looking. See, I've never seen this before. Yeah, so hear these guys. Yeah, they be tripping. So they have PlayStation Plus Premium, and they have something that's called PlayStation Plus. It's like the higher than Premium. What is Sony doing? They're tripping. They tripping big time. You heard about this, right, Tadachi? What is it called again? Double discount. It's like for the PlayStation, not the Premium, the other one. It's like you get some ridiculous deals, boy. You have PlayStation Premium. No, you have the regular, the PlayStation Premium, and then you have other one. I'm like, what? That's crazy. I'm just looking, guys. I'm looking, that's all. Timeline. I don't know. I don't remember, to be honest. Yeah. Tekken 7. You know what I need to do? I need to go back. I was looking at. I purchased this game. It was a waste of time. I'm sorry. Control. I fell asleep playing that. Days Gone, same thing. This game, what is Civilization? What is this? Is this like a game you make a world? What is this? Oh, so your Caesar are one of those great rulers. Let's see. Wow.
We are not amused.
Wow. Okay. I used to have Yakuza too. Well, one of the Yakuzas. We're just chilling on a Sunday, guys. Don't worry. Don't mind me. I've been looking in games. Marvel's vs. Capcom. This game is actually cool.
Power inhibitor! Iron Avenger! Here's my
this quickly.
Wow, that's crazy. That looks pretty epic.
未来の中、僕はオールマイトと出会い、ワン・フォー・オールの後継として選ばれた。強くなれるかなではない。強くならなきゃいけない。ここからは僕自身で開くんだ。
Y'all remember Soul Calibur? Wow. Street Fighter 30th anniversary. Damn. 30 years, bruh. 30 years. That's crazy.
It was such a unique thing. You just didn't compete with people directly in any other arcade game. It was always just score. But this one was literally like one person versus the other person. The graphics, the music, the sound effects, everything about the game. It was just such a beautiful package.
This is dope. This is dope. I'ma definitely need those Street Fighter controller. Damn. Oh my god. $12. I'ma get this. Anyway, let's keep moving. 30th anniversary. Like over 15 classic games. What are you talking about? I'm just browsing, guys. It's just chilling with all y'all people, looking on weird stuff. Werewolf, the Apocalypse, Earthblood, Champion. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, I love the cinematics and everything. I'm just really hoping this game is actually good. That'd be very messed up, right, Tadachi? The cinematics are so over the top and it's so epic and everything, and then you actually play the game and you're like, what is this? I mean, I've seen so many games with the best cinematics ever, and then when you actually play the game, you're like, what kind of dumb game is this? I'm just saying. Let's look. Let's look. I want to see the gameplay. Let's look. Okay, here we go, guys. Nice and quiet. Okay, what? Everybody's dumb. They're just coming over one spot.
Hostile in sight!
What?
Watch out! He could be close.
What? See, same thing you were talking about, Tadachi. Bruh. Okay, so this is definitely a wasted. Whoa! Yes, I do the same thing to Adachi. Damn, you have so many different stuff. You have Saw? Dead by Daylight is an epic game, bruh. Wow. Alright guys, I'm back. Yeah, there's a lot of character in Dead by Daylight. This is a yo, Dead by Daylight, they working, bruh. What? This is crazy. Samurai Showdown. Let me have a look on this. I always like this game, by the way, guys. It's dope. Well, the classic one. Okay, dope. He dope. Yeah, Dead by Daylight, they working a lot. They serious about keeping their franchise up. Yeah, they working a lot. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the live stream now. Until later, I guess. I don't know. Miss Silence, you was gonna play football still? Alright, come. Miss Silence gonna play some football while I rest. And then we gonna roll right into some horror right after, man. I really wish I had some power. What? No, we could play some game. God Eater, Godfather 3K, what's up? Welcome to the live stream, man. Yeah, boy. Welcome to the live stream. Adachi, you can go. You can go to the store. We'll be here. I'm trying to push, man. I'm trying to put him back some lost time that I lost. You know what I'm saying? Since yesterday. I gotta grind, man. Gotta grind. Gotta keep that grind up, you know? You know what I'm saying, man? So I'm just here chillaxing. Hopefully, but later on, I'll have the strength to actually play. Yeah, she says she doesn't have breakfast foods. Oh, yeah, no. Okay, no problem. No problem. Yes, alright. We here, man. We all here. We all here. some game. I'm just trying to rest a little bit. I've been at it for like 4 hours, going 5 now. I just finished one game. I ain't got nothing else to do right now. But how was your day, Godfather? I'm just here, man. Guys, remember I'm also streaming on Twitch. Shout out to all my Twitch peeps. Yeah. Gang. Gang. Shout out to all my people here on Twitch, man. What? I was hungry. That's why I was asking you what we're gonna cook today. I wanted to do something nice, but them people ain't give me my darn money. What game we're gonna play today? Well, I just finished an epic game that's called The Order. 1886 dope werewolf game. It was pretty epic, man. Give me a second, guys. We're trying to find what the hell we gonna do, cause I'm a bit tired, and I think Miss Sans wanted to play some football. One second, guys.